Hey guys, it's Ruben, and today, we're gonna be playing some Animal Jam. Me, Cosmo. This is episode 2, and what you said in the last episode was to bring him nectar and chomper seeds. So, to be honest, I really don't know where these are, so we're gonna find where they are. So, what does he need to say? My den is that big looking building to the right. You can find nectar and chomper seeds in there. As for honey, there's a beehive at the bottom of my garden. I'm sure the nice bees will lend you some. Thank you. So let's first go to his den. Then we can call it a day. I like the music in here. It's peaceful. And guys, I'm doing this video at 8:44 in the morning. So yeah, I'm pretty tired. But I just want to make this video because I love Animal Jam. It's very addicting. So yeah. I just want to make this. So first we got the nectar. Next we have the chomper seeds and then we have to go get the honey. The nectar is great. Next up, honey and chopper seeds. Well, why not just go get the honey first? So that's what we're gonna do. And then we'll come back here. So where's that beehive? I remember it being somewhere around here. It should be. Oh yeah, I think it's in this tree. No, that's the orange tree. But where's that beehive? I saw it. It was right here, wasn't it? Oh, found it. That was tricky. Thank you. I thought they were going to sting me or something. Uh, if it was in real life, they would actually stung us, and in Minecraft, they would have actually did the same thing. So yeah, you know, not very. I'm not very fond of them. Let's just say that. The honey will do the trick, but don't forget we still need chopper seeds. Yeah, I haven't forgotten. I just want to go get the honey first. No, let's go into full screen. Yeah, that's better. So the chomper seeds were around. So he. Oh, dang it, I did not mean to do that. I did not mean to leave his den. Well, if they're downstairs, they should be upstairs, right? Okay, I did not mean to do that. Let's go back in there. So let's go up the stairs. Oh, yeah, there they are. Wow, they look like dragon. They look like Venus flytraps, but just their head. Hmm. Also, let's go into theater mode. There we go. Now, why do I keep going the wrong places? Okay, so I got your chopper seeds for you. Wow, you're the best nectar and chopper seed and honey gatherer ever. Thank you. Like all living things, the bloom seeds need lots of nutrients to grow. Four of the fruits and vegetables from my garden should do nicely. Once we add the crops, these bloom seeds will be complete and we can rescue the explorers. Woohoo! Could you help me bring me the crops? I can't stop stirring or else the seeds will turn out bad. Got it for you? The first fruits we need are what are they called? These fruits grow in bunches on vines. What are they called? Drapes? No, creeps. No, I don't think so. Bring Cosmo some purple fruits from his garden. Yeah, those are grapes, aren't there? Yeah, they're grapes. But did I plant grapes? I don't think I did. Did I plant grapes? Did I? I don't remember. Okay. I did not see anything. Oh, found them. Okay. I remember planting these, but okay. I was about to search up on Google what grown bunch is. I just want to make sure I planted these first. Next, what else do you have for me? Grapes, wonderful, wonderful. Thanks. The next ingredient is. Let's see. I'm sure you know it. It's yellow and grows in long stalks. Yeah, that's corn. That's corn. Okay. Oh, guys, should I do the voice of the alpha? Should I do the voice of the alpha Cosmo, or should I just do my normal voice? If if you want me to do his voice, try, if you want me to try to do his voice or not let me do it, or not let me do his voice, just comment down below. Cause I read the comments, you know. Got your comment, bad boy Halo Skeppy. Again, Animal Jam sucks. Well, why don't you go read the comment I gave you? Me in episode 1. Maybe I'll teach you to treat people. Maybe I'll, maybe I'll teach you to be nice. Sheesh. Corn, that's right. Thanks. The third ingredient we need is called it's called something. I know it's unique because even though it looks and tastes like a vegetable, it's actually a fruit. Oh yeah, tomatoes. Tomatoes. Yeah, tomatoes. He was talking about tomatoes. They're plump red and they're actually and it looks like a vegetable, but it's actually a fruit. Guys, think of it like this: fruits have seeds in them, but vegetables have nothing in them, just like nutrients and everything. Think of it like that. So that's how you remember it. Vegetables have no seeds and just nutrients. Fruit has nutrients but seeds. That's that's what always helps me. That's it. Thank you. We only have one ingredient left. The last vegetable we need is it's on the tip of my tongue. It's a big leafy vegetable. If we were using it for we can make a nice salad. Bring a Cosmo. Oh yeah, it's cabbage, right? It has to be cabbage, right? This has to be it. Cabbage, perfect. Thank you. Phew. Imagine if I got it wrong. And with that, the balloon shapes are done, and not a minute too soon. Whenever you see a tree like the one next to me, click on click on it to gather its boom seeds. Okay, that really helped. So now I got them. See that icon in the top left corner? That shows you how many boom seeds you're carrying. Yep, it's very useful. If you want to use a boom seed, just click the icon and drag the seed wherever you want it to go. You can use blue seeds to phantoms and break apart boulders. Oh, like that one? The one with the like purple like infection in it? The phantoms block the path to I think that's it. That purple boulder. To the left of the boulder. Use your blue seeds to show it who's boss. Yep, I knew I was talking about them. So let's try this. Okay, I'm just gonna put it in the middle. Because I feel like that would just make no sense. To put in the middle. You did it. Remember, you can use boosties on boulders that are blocking your path. Now, we have to, yeah, we have got to save the two koala explorers. They were exploring the caverns, and I bet that's where they got captured. Let's go and see. Wait, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I have a better idea. Follow this path to the first cavern. I'm going to see if I can learn what the phantoms are up to. Be careful, you never know what Nazi tricks the phantoms might pull. Find and rescue the koalas. Oh, the peaceful music stopped. It's alright. So let's just get some more boomsticks just in case. Oh, there's already one. You don't want to be with me. You're about to get hit. Boom. Oh, that looks so fun. You know how much fun that was? They're usually the ones killing me, but not today. You're about to die. You died! Get away, man. I ain't dying. I ain't dying today. Oh, I should have brought water. Okay. I'll just put water right here. I will use you. Come here. Come here. Come on. I know you want to. Come kill me. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I know you want to. You die again. Okay. So, do you really want to kill me that much? Okay. So, let's just go water this one just in case. Oh, yeah. Good. Come here. Come on. I know you want to. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. Are you ready for your life about to end? I know you are. Because we always outsmart you. Oh, I found all the koalas. On a treehouse. The phantoms have trapped two of my koala friends inside the different caverns. Got it. Ooh, there's. Oh, I found one of them. Found it. Okay. Let's use this boom seed on it. But it's gonna be hard. Oh, yeah. There should be boom seeds in the cavern, right? You never suspected a thing. Let's hope there's no more phantoms on the way because I do not have any more boom seeds. I do not have any water. Okay, let's see. Learn the nightingale's bird song and play on the pipes. Birds live in the tree across the bridge. If you played song on these pipes, that vine ladder will grow. Well, I don't know the nightingale song. What? How do we know the? How do we? How do you know the song? Okay, let's type this up. Nightingale song. Okay, Animal Jam. Animal Jam. It's just, yeah, let's see. Alright, so we found what we were looking for. Let's see. Let's see what this says. Oh wow, the dunk song. Animal Jam. Wow, very funny. Okay. The nightingales. So watch carefully. I'll be pausing so I don't need to do anything. Okay, I got that one. Next. Got it. Yeah. Sorry, I got confused. What the heck? So you messed up? Okay. So I did not see how he did it. So I think he just did this. Did this? Wait, so he did this, did this. I'm confused. Yeah, he pressed that, then press that one. Oh, got it. Purple, then orange. Yes. Thank you so much. That really helps. So let's see. Oh, I don't have any boom scenes on me. Am I going to? Oh, never mind. There's a tree right here. Thanks. Cosmo really gets me. That's why. That's why he's my That's why he's my idol on the Animal Jam. I just want to be just like him. Guys, I don't know if we're gonna finish the adventure today. We might, but I don't know. I don't know how long we have been like doing this video, so it's gonna be hard. Find the key and free the rescue the koalas. Got it? Because I don't want this to be like a 30-minute long video, and it's like gonna take a long time to update because like, what if I don't have enough storage on the Chromebook? So yeah, the key's right there. Let's go get it. Ooh. Oh, hi. You really want to fight me, don't you? Get away! Get away! Okay. That was a close one. Okay. The trapped koala found. I'm about to save you. Ruben Pixel, Rutabaga Boy Pixels is going to save you. Okay. Find the exit to car. You saved me. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. You know, I love to help people. It's what I do. Okay. Is that the way out? Yeah, that's the way out. That's the way we came in. Because there was like stairs right there. I know that was the way out. Okay. Well, let's see. Oh yeah, that's the way out. Find the exit from the cavern. Oh wow. Okay. Oh well. We just left for no reason. And look. Oh, the call's still here. You know, you can leave now. You're not trapped anymore. But okay. Yeah, let's go back into full screen. I like it that way. Theater mode. Nothing's working. What happened? Okay. That's better. Explore and find the entrance to the last cavern. It should like give us an arrow, shouldn't it? Right? Okay, but first, okay, yeah, I don't like it this way. Let's go off theater mode. It's too close up for me. But I'm gonna stop playing full screen. This is, just too new to me. Where did that tree go? The tree was right here. Okay, but should like show where the last cavern is. Should I like that, like pinpoint? I don't see it. I found a hidden chest. I guess that's good. It gives me gems. Thank you. Gems are really valuable. Oh, perfect! I found the tree. Oh, I heard Cosmo. I'm glad you made it. It's much worse than I thought. The phantoms have created sprouters that can actually make more phantoms. That must be how they can spread across the land so quickly. There's a phantom sprout up ahead. I would have used it to. I would have used a boomstick on it, but I don't have any. Use your boomsticks on any phantom sprouts you see, but look out for any new phantoms that come after you. I have to investigate the source of these phantom sprouters. Follow the path to find the entrance to the next cavern. Good luck. Is it this way? Found done. Let's kill this thing. Get away! Don't even touch me! Like, don't even touch me. How did you find me? Oh, you died. Okay. Whoops. I made the most stupid choice ever. Okay. Well, to be honest, I really did deserve that. And hey, at least I have this, like, responding hub. Let's kill this thing. You're gonna pay for what you did. Boom. Never mess with me, because I will smoke you. That just sound okay. That just sounded wrong, but you know what I mean. Ooh, get out of here! Hey you! Hey you! Oh my gosh. Okay, that was my fault. That was my fault. I can admit that I can be stupid sometimes. Okay, so just bear with me, okay? How did you find me already? Get ready for your life to end. Wait, how did... I'm gonna die. How did it happen again? What the heck? How? You're gonna die. You're gonna die. This is unacceptable. That did nothing. Get away. No, don't touch. Don't touch. What? That's not fair. Let's get some boom seeds already. Die. I'm done. I'm done. Die. I'm Guys, I'm so sorry. This was not what was supposed to happen in this video. Okay, that's it. I'm done. You're gonna die. You're gonna die. I'm staying in the same place. I can die. Oh, I need more boom seeds. Now, there should be another one around here, and I'm not gonna be. Oh well, we've at least we found the water cup, and we found like a new place. I do not know what this place is. What is this place? This must be the place. Oh, this place is beautiful. But I cannot find the explore and find. But I cannot find the entrance to the last cavern. I cannot find it. Okay. Oh, of course. Oh, he should tell us, right? I have a few cords you can use. I've been hiding them so the phantoms can't find them. Okay, perfect. Perfect, they're here. There's more, right? Tell me there's more. Yes. So sorry I'm sniffling so much. You guys are probably thinking I'm disgusting. I'm sorry. You see, it's now 9 in the morning. I just woke up like right now, so you know. You're gonna hear this a lot, so just get used to it. Oh, Cosmo's here. If you could finish something, that would really help. Thank you. Oh, he's not even here. Oh well. Let's go. Wait, guys, I'll be right back. I need to go blow my nose. Guys, I won't edit this part of the video because it's not very long, so it's not a very long thing that you guys have to wait for. So yeah, just wait. So guys, now you can just hear me, and I want to make sure I'm not in this part of the video because like it didn't take very long. So yeah, you know. So yeah, it's all right. We're cool. We're chill. It's cool. Okay. So let's just get him to get attracted to me. Come on. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, he dropped a bag of chips. Okay. I'll be back again. Let me sanitize first. Let me sanitize first before I come back. It's Corona time, so I'm alright, guys. I'm not sick or anything. There we go. That's better. That feels so good. Okay, so let's try this again. Without sneezing. So, still, I'm not ending this part of the video. Do not take that long. So, now where can I put this cork in? I know I can put it somewhere. I know there was a cork. I know there was a place where. Yeah, it was over here. This way. Yeah, right here. Perfect. Yeah, there's another one. Was it there? Where's the other one? There's somewhere around here. Let's just follow the path back. Oh, another cork. Perfect. So where's that other place we can keep that cork? This cork. Where the heck is it? I cannot find it. You know, guys, let's turn off this music and put something more cheerful. No, just something good. The Hidden Bowls Animal Jam. Yeah, 1 hour. Perfect. This is my favorite soundtrack. That's better. So, where's that? So, where's that effective river? Yeah, I found it. There's some. No, we just went back into the. We just went back in the same direction. So, let's go this way. I do not know where we came from. I'm gonna think it was from this way. Where was it? I think it was there on the way. I don't know. It's somewhere around here, right? Yes, perfect. Why would there be more corks though? Wait, well, then why would there be more corks though? There has to be more, can't there? Oh yeah, we have to follow the path, don't we? There's nothing here. Was that it? How much corks are there? Don't tell me there's a lot. So, there's one. There's 2 more. Not so bad, I guess. It's just gonna be hard to find. Pretty hard. Not too hard, just pretty hard. So, let's see. Let's go down here. There has to be something right here. Right? There should be. Where is it? It's not here. Isn't this the way we just came from? Yeah, that's where we just came from. What are we doing? And guys, as you see, I got a new style on my seal. So that he won't be, so that way he can just have some clothes on, be decent. So yeah, yay for him. So let's keep on going. I cannot find disinfected water by the phantoms. I cannot find it. Like I just can't see it. Hidden chest. Not really helping though. Maybe we have to turn around again. Maybe miss something. Maybe from this way? Nothing still. Like another chest. I guess it would hurt if we got it. Gems. Okay. So I cannot find it. Where the heck are you? Oh wow, another one. They said we should watch out for this. Let's go. Don't just kill me, I'm on one life already. And I'm not gonna spawn too far away. Just right here. Whoops. That was the most horrible choice ever. Let's kill you. While we get the chance. Perfect. But yes, you're giving us signs, thank you. You know I'm all about the signs, you know what I'm saying. So let's see. What we can do here. Follow the sign. In this flight trap. Oh no, that means the phantom's on the way. What did I say? What did I just say? You're gonna die today. How did you not die? That makes no sense. Oh, you will never find me. Because I'm the gingerbread man. Just kidding. Oh, he found me. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Get away. Get away. Hey, do not touch me. Corona. You're gonna give me the corona. Again? Nope. I'm out. Bye. I have to go get my boom seats. Oh, yes, another cork. How did he find me? Get away. Get away. Get away. Get away. Get away. No, I hate you. Get away from me. Get away from me now. Don't touch me. Don't even touch me, okay? Stop it. Stop it right now. Stop. Stop. This is unacceptable. Just kill me. Am I free to leave? Hello? Okay. I just be like that, huh? How about that? You won't like it. You won't like me very much, my love. When I get those boom seats. Yeah, just come after me, you know, little man. You just want to kill me so bad, don't you? I'm never gonna get those boom seats. He won't freaking move. Okay, so that's actually a better space. You're not getting me today. Nuh-uh. Cause I'm killing you. Dad, I'll teach you. Just teach you right. Let's go down here again. We're almost there. The cork? Well, at least we know where the last cork is. No! Not the heck? No. Get away. Die! I may have to end the video around here somewhere, but I want to like do this first. You know? I don't want to stop here. Let's go get some more boom seats first of all. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna keep dying. We're gonna have to be doing this for the whole video, guys. Let's just proceed. We're almost there. I'm stopping that spawner. Found it. It should have stopped, right? Oh my gosh, it's so annoying. Hi. Boom. Bye. Get away from me. Like, what the heck? Do you really want to follow me that much? How do you see me? Like, how? Don't even try me. Okay. Get away. You're gonna die today. Yeah. What the heck? How? Get away. No. That's not fair, man. That's not fair. Do you even know if... Boom. Got my seeds before you killed me. You're about to die today. Die. No. Yeah. That's what you get. That's what bad boys get. Let's see. I stopped the spawner, didn't I? I put it close to it. It should have stopped, right? Yeah, it stopped. I think so. Yeah, I stopped the spawner. Woohoo. Isaac. Oh, that's a nice name. Have a friend. I have a cousin in Africa, and he's my cousin. His name is Isaac. He's very nice. I could fix this bridge if I had a rope and a timber. Tobias and Zosie have some in the den, down into the right of here. After everything we have just been through today, let's just do it. Let's make this count. I just want to finish this video and this series. So of me, Cosmo, because I want to go on to new adventures. So let's just do it. Let's make this a 3 long video. Let's just do this. Okay, get ready to die. 2, just double. That's just peachy. Okay. You know how I said we should just make this count? I regret saying that now. I'm not sure we should, but I asked for this, so yeah. This is gonna be a long video, so just get used to it. Make it count. Oh, this is annoying. Die. Wait, they're not catching me. Let's kill them then. Die. There we go. You deserve that. Now we just have to find a way to break that spawner. Or did we already break it? I think we did. Yeah, we broke the spawner. Well, I think we found their like tree house or like cabin, whatever they call it. So where are they? Yeah, we found their tree house. So let's go up here. No, let's turn off the music for now. Uh, just hear normal Animal Jam music for this particular adventure. Just get used to it. So let's see. Oh, they have games up here. Wow. Timber is my specialty. I'll I'll trade you for some for a banana. Oh, I hate bananas, but it's not all about me all the time, right? I got lots of rope. I'll trade you some for apple. Yeah, we saw apple on the way here, so let's just go. This is a 30-minute long video. I'm going to be so, you know, kind of amazed. Be- because I never make videos that long, to be honest. It's weird. I just hope I have enough storage on here to upload this video. So yeah, let's go get some apple. You found some on the way here. Where are they though? The apple tree was right here. Perfect. Yeah, I don't care. Just drop it. There's one already by the treehouse. Tobias and Zosie's treehouse, so we're good. We're almost there. Let's see if you'll if you'll if you'll give it to us. Wait, what do bananas grow on? Banana. What do bananas grow on? Yeah. Plants are often mistaken for trees or palms. They are actually herbs. The banana is a perennial plant that replaces so bananas do not grow from a seed, but from a pulp that takes nitrogen, turning banana pulp to for harvesting the fruit. Hmm. So I guess they grow on palm trees. Then that's gonna be hard. Okay. Just give him the rope. Okay, at least give us the bit. Oh boy. I'll just go get it. Thank you. Excuse me. Got it. I'll trade you some for a banana. I see that you like bananas a lot. You literally have a beanbag dedicated to it. Guys, I'm not tired. I'm good. I'm good. It's just that, you know, to be honest, I really don't know why I'm yawning. But I'm good. I'm good. So let's give this rope to Isaac. So let's see. This rope is perfect. Now all I need is timber. So where do I find this banana tree or something? That's gonna be hard. Pretty hard, to be honest. So let's do this. So we know it's not here. So let's just go somewhere else. So where's this banana tree or something? Where does that go? Oh, I just need a banana tree or something. Is that what? Let's go get that cork. Yeah, let's go get it. Okay. Boom. There we go. I can swim across that maybe where the banana is. Let's just wait for it to regain. There we go. You're healthy now. So, where are you? What the heck? It took me all the way back here? It took me back to Cosmo's garden. Wow. Despicable. Okay, so very funny. So, haha. Silly me. Okay, whatever. But seriously, where's the banana tree? No, we're going on YouTube for this. We're doing it. Animal Jam. Meet. I can't meet Cosmo. Um, banana tree. Thanks. Do you really know what I'm talking about? I don't want to walk through. I just want to find where this freaking banana tree is. Where's the banana tree? Uh, this is so annoying. We're not watching this whole thing. We're just gonna skip through this. We're skipping through this whole thing. We're doing it. Let's just skip through this whole thing. What I give you a fish the whole walkthrough? What do you mean this is a walkthrough? You didn't even finish the whole thing. Okay, let's try this time. I'm trusting you. Oh, was a beta? I didn't know it was a beta once. Oh wow.
If you're doing it by yourself and trying to get everything done, it goes about 45 minutes to get it.
Okay. None of them helped me, so we're gonna do this the hard way. Like, why do you want bananas so much? Like, you know how hard those are to find? I might never finish this. So guys, if it turns 10 o'clock on my clock, um, we're gonna end the video there because I cannot find these freaking bananas. Like, who even likes bananas? So where the heck are you? Hello? Open up! I freaking can't find the bananas! Okay, get away. Get away! No. Just, just the best way to ruin my day. Yes, I found it! Thank you, finally! But that was annoying. So now we have to keep looking, keep looking, keep looking. We're almost there. Almost there. Checkpoint. Hey, let's go get that. Let's go get that timber. You're welcome. Now it took me to find this. Thanks. I promise. Thank you so much. Finally. Okay. Okay. So. Yeah, I'll do it. I'll do it. So now, where's that bridge? Perfect, found it. Okay. You did it. Well, no, so let me just. There. Now that the bridge is fixed, can you help me? Please help rescue the truck while in the cavern. Sure. Sure. See? There's the last cavern. I knew it was going to show a pointer, but just took too long. We should find that article, shouldn't we? Okay. You know what? Just forget it. It's not like we're gonna need it anyway. Just go in. There's the key. And there you are. You're gonna die today. Let's go save that trapped koala. He needs our help. But first we have to get that freaking key. Like how they don't make it boring, but they add slides. It's fun. Get away. No! Wow. Oh, never mind. That actually helped. Thank you. I'm free. You are my hero. Oh, thank you. Oh, well, the portal's here. I never knew the portal looked this way. Just the gem before it opens up. Trying to talk to Cosmo. Yeah, he's right here. Thank you so much. You have defeated the phantoms and restored the land. I just had a crazy thought. Have you heard of the Phantom Hive? No, but I've heard like people talk about. Some say that the phantoms come from a dark hive somewhere. Now that we have these boomsticks, we might be able to find the hive and stop the phantoms. Please accept this gift, and then return through the adventure portal. So, guys, we're not actually going to go to the next adventure after this, but I'm going for the bottom left. Oh, wall garden, cool. I'm perfect. We're actually going to like do like the return of the phantoms, the phantom portal. We're then meet Cosmo, then we'll do the hive. That will like all make sense and everything. So let's return through the portal and put this at my house. Let's see. I don't know how long I've been recording. Let's hope my camera even got all this. So let's return back to my house And guys, I've been upgrading my house a lot. I got this Phantom pipe yesterday, this bunny statue to on Friday, and I also got this game like last week. So now where can I put my wall garden? So where the heck can I put you? Oh, I feel like it will look nice on there, so just put it on there. Oh yeah, I forgot I had the skull pedestal from yesterday. So I feel like that will putting you here. I should really get a bigger den because I have no room in this den. Like exactly, I have exactly no room. It's just getting a bit stuffy, so they can just come here and read it. It'll be cool. Yeah. Yeah, my house could be magical. If I'm just a non-member, okay. Calm down, Ribbon. You can do this. You'll become a member soon. Hey, no, that's not where I want to be. No, no. Go, 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 go. Over here. Dead will place you down. Yeah, so. Whoa, I did not want to do that. I'm sorry. There we go. And where's that bunny statue? Found it. I won't place you back down. So, good. We're done here, guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And have an awesome rest of your day. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!